Do you know many people are having trouble with calibrating their Pioneer receiver? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Home Menu. Press the Home Menu button on the remote controller to display the Home Menu on your TV screen. Step 2. Select MCACC. Navigate using the remote to select MCACC and press Enter to access calibration settings. Step 3. Connect microphone. Plug the provided setup microphone into the MCACC SETUP MIC jack on the receiver. Step 4. Run Auto MCACC. In the MCACC menu, select Full Auto MCACC and follow the on-screen instructions for automatic calibration. Step 5. Adjust EQ manually. For fine-tuning, manually adjust EQ settings within the MCACC menu to customize sound frequencies. After these steps, you should have a perfectly calibrated sound experience. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pioneer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.